In this guide, we'll show you how to use your TAPSIGNER to sign transactions using NFC with Nunchuk wallet on your mobile device. You'll learn how to set up a TAPSIGNER as an NFC key within Nunchuk, assign the TAPSIGNER to a Bitcoin wallet, and sign a transaction with the TAPSIGNER. Here's what you'll need: a Coinkite TAPSIGNER and a smartphone with Nunchuk wallet installed. Start by opening Nunchuk wallet on your phone. Tap Add a Key, and then Add NFC Key, and finally, tap the Add New NFC Key option. Hold the TAPSIGNER to the phone to scan it. You will now be prompted to initialize setup of a new NFC key. Tap Yes to continue. Next, set up a chain code, which will provide randomness to the key generation. Choose Automatic. Next, we'll set up the CVC PIN code associated with the TAPSIGNER, which already comes with a preset CVC code. Enter this under Existing CVC. Now we'll choose a new PIN code. Enter this in the New CVC field, and again to confirm. Hit Continue. Hold the TAPSIGNER to the phone to complete the process. Next, we're given the option to name the NFC signing device. We'll call it TAPSIGNER 1. Hit Continue. It'll now appear under Keys. In order to sign a transaction, we need to create a wallet. Tap Add a Wallet, and then Create a Wallet. Enter a name for your wallet. We'll call ours TAPSIGNER 1. Hit Continue. Now we have the option to assign NFC keys to the wallet. Check the box next to TAPSIGNER 1 and hit the plus button to add it as a required key. Tap Continue. We now see it as an assigned NFC key. Tap Create a Wallet. You'll now be prompted to save your wallet configuration file. For now, we'll just hit I'll do this later. Finally, review your wallet and click Done. Now let's make our first transaction. On the main screen, tap the wallet we just created. Click Send to create a new transaction. Type the amount or hit Send All if you wish to send the full balance. Scan or paste the Bitcoin address you want to send to, and hit Continue. Tap Continue to proceed with the default fees. If you're happy, tap Confirm and Create Transaction. Now we can see that the transaction is pending one signature. Tap Sign and enter the CVC code for the device. Hold the TAPSIGNER to the phone to scan it. We now have enough signatures collected and the transaction has been signed. Tap Broadcast Transaction. Congratulations! You can now add the TAPSIGNER as an NFC key within Nunchuk and sign transactions with it. To learn more about how to use the TAPSIGNER, head over to TAPSIGNER.com.